Yama. Asia, asana na safuya na nipa duwa. Obaka so bu ni adwumaye. Asana na safuya na nipa kuguwa. The all night ni ya beka sai. Omo mpa dwuma na omo koguwo. Sarkodie ye ni program Rapperholic kumase. Ensure toye. Omo tinamu ensure to. Omo so omo mpaka. Eya sofu na ya sore. Last year, right before sofu, can say, oh, Palm Sunday. Sofu ni telecam. I'm a member senior children in Soloto. Woman the social media. It is sofu na tam. Some members Jimmy. Sofu na telecam and show them media today. God will panic. Ensure I have most of the videos here. One guy could be an allocation when we were trending that Ghana. Oh, coffee. Ensure now, man who was for original. But when it was raining, where was Sarkodie? No, you know, movie. But Christosum Nankaye preaching and you tona members in Jinamua that they will fight against it. If they are Christians. And I love something about Shatta Wale. I think some of them a couple of videos here. I open the stage in the you can say TikTok rano and your error and your mama that gift. So what they say is yeah, and young me and your mama media from way back now started say all shining. Come a bandana or call yeah, I'll buy you and I'm walking come. I'm a tin in your man, I'm saying that we will be so for bear. It means so for no kind of me and your mama. I am my sense. So what you say is my sense. One day, on one casa, a better.
Odan CTC TV. The American Biano of Anissa. Odan for Najatum. Tear party. What I say, Wajatum, tear party. Party Ajatum. Odan for Jimudi. Moti Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place, Michelle. Blaster place, no. Ghana local place, no. All the Biache. City TV. City na. Keko. Boa.
Ini yang pacu apa mau dia?
Ya ubah.
Okay. Nah, pacu first.
Pacu frame evangelist usuansa.
Evangelist usuansa. Udino namse. Evangelist bias. Evangelist bias.
Amen.
We start evangelism.
Okay, I think it's 5th February of this year, now 14 years.
14 good years.
14 good years. Oh, at least 70. This year, I mean, 38 years.
Start here, but now 26 years.
Yes. 14 years.
14
February 2011, I started. Okay, now no Konkoma. I go to see Accra. On an 80. Na Kobani ade Tompa Wani ade. One day na ekofan mpaboa no kanta na dwutu te Nigeria fo ni be gu mu ma afem mpaboa no yen be kono na omotu ma Nigeria fo mo de ko Nigeria omotu mo mabode yen be ko na akase enti through that na no no obeko nya bi te one day be da ho anajo ana me so da na bi hia ma bi ase me na me ami krom wi amo ase Presby Park so te me na park ne so da nipa ne tisi mani mo se fita untumi hwe nanim. I was saying, near Juma, and I'm saying, the match where Juma Bay. It be dinner, you park and a swire econo. Let's cool down back. So for be asked for room. Or shall come of Fred one or Bodino and cannot but deliver an image now. The I depend upon a train and it knows any Hannah made them back. Oh, dear, and a dinner to me, dinner, you know. I'm not such an idea. Pay them in any there's a 5,000. Be a gala be a white. And I saw for beginning when you know pretty to the woman. It was Hannah made the over. You do a machine, no mammy, free Bible black and libby. You are the same as I said, Jenny William, and what you're right. Till yes, me William, Lipana, Major, and Channel, done the no, 2 million straight. Was he who was at the dada, through mammy, my friend over. And I'm saying, I no man can't send him, mention him. Till me William, one of my so 2011, 11, yeah. William, one of my so me. It is from that time, no, me for Bible, can you not come through? We walk around a bit to me where the abromisi be baby up and a cassamin, men kind of ones, the kind of ones are the two na masa kan ni mediri ma kyerɛ wo te didi mu a na ye de ka mu preaching ni ade 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 besi me yeah
na school sɛ no so wetumi kɔ do
okay school sem na think say me wie amponfi okofo dua osen think say
senior high school
baby JHS 2003 ana me wie secondary school konfo na chiwi amu asem ya me kuro 2006
who's
Ashanti region yeah ana we 2006 ana me di move ba Accra but me am papa de kofo dua na o me ma me ni free dua amu ase
na o starting na made na 14 good years challenges that pan not face here it is a challenge and face the car person na me aba to me the car dey
oh no cre challenges ni de bebre na nyankopon frɛ wa challenges ni ketewa bi ani me beba wo nkyɛn because the devil try so many ways so obetwe wa free calling him but ni nyina determination and decision making and a consistency is part of it and we taso meye eno ne ade no ti start ya ye ko edu afi na enuma mu ye di ma me tade kura me hye kura na me ni bi sika ne ade a whole lot but ye course so until one day no fa me call Kumasi by me ba na me kwaji me key e wo konkoma me wura ono no mu ehwe awrade ase na God being so good kama da ene ba ye na me so sa da ye no one day my sorry we are be Sunday adwumra me gino se na me te ne se kwa aleso say ho no Church of Christ ni ye krum ni no te me kono no te Bible hu sua de no church re me na me no be kwa sorry am se sa na me se ya no Sunday oba be from ti Sunday no ba ye no na me ka chen say me Bible Twenty scan to Bible, like this come anko. Until the free ko ba na msi mini atade. Omo mi scan to atade. Omo mi nya adwuma nya scan to atade. Ti mi to atade ni wie ya pe. Ana mi di na chi kwa sorry. Ti mi ko Church of Christ omo first class, second class na upper class. Ti mi man cha second class one man cha o because na ade ni mu no wo ho. Bisa question na ma so bisa na omo de me ko upper class. Ti mi ko mi krom ba ye no me ba no mu di achi ni wo fie o. Tinema so mekan makotu na no fa se bra ni babu musi na tifi ma me fa nko kanisi na ko preach wo kam na ko jiska say ya na start you say ya ono se me ode me ko kan ma ko preach ya jiska na me ne ko no ma me ka afina wo sen ka me nyu obi hye na se God be so good say me so obi ase ka e bi anka ma say it ka ni mu kakra na nyankopon hyepu me ti me ko first day me pa na me ka kire me sister badu baby obi nyankopon hyira no wo so badu adwuma na di mi ntumi nye na se kutu jaya bonsam wanyaw nti yire wona ye ana me di mu up to now bitine ekom animguase toda di obedi kra eden asore dem da me nyoma nyina ye basa because na edwuma me me nyeska handan yes, because we could true teachings from Christ now. It is not easy for people to accept you. Me da sorry them, na me da ansa na me ba kra na me da madam for so to sorry them. Na me nyoma koka spenters. Me dem nyoma nyina gu spenters. Me da na sorry them 7 months. It ka so e free baby Rock City. E ko na me ko share people no so. E bia na me ko me to obi am to fast 30 days. Or 30 days kra de mean to me kind of do amaye. 30 days, 14 days. And mean to me kind fasting amaye na de so wa to me. Kakra anam kache Awurade se Awurade position ma baby aduru ma bre o ma so asendua na wo so soye me frɛ madamfo na so no na so na gu beto be nyi obi de mama no na me ni pan ka se nti be pon pan na se Awurade me ni pa Awurade na nti o me de me amo se ho ya yi kire me ho nya ma me nsan nti me so de na me tete amango na se ade ni be yi na me tete amango na me tete 3 times 3 days ni nyina na isa afa na me ye na di pan se me mra na me bai
order
ewo achiase didi mua na me ba krum bi preach na me ba na me to tripod se me life wo dem be life no me ya emfa ma me na me se me de be ba krum na kakra be de ba krum a afi nyankopon aya domo a video no atumi akobara
you will say video no air trend
okay
and oh kasa say first of all last 2 months Sarkodie
Rapperholic yeah
it's so poor yeah many people that
no correct
na also can say as a first of all last time na so those or that as some church members in na form
yes
na so for me
kumase na Palm Sunday last year
no take him so take him on now for
Sir,
the areas was at the top
a
of
trouble, yes.
take care of
Members and a number.
we say almost no yard
Yeah,
you know yard
no credit.
it is I say I don't want to tie
Yeah.
would it see musicians and also own pay musicians especially Sarkodie.
Okay. What was a good question? Me and Casano, I think say me underground artist. My yemi nyumina, my yemi nyumene Sarkodie no me started almost started you can say Dr. Dan can start oh me refikasa high level. Me nyina me wo me nyum buku nyina me koye me nyum CD machine nyina
Now what's me
strong boy ya puno Sarkodie odanchem kraba ko bonan Canada for the no kodiskedo na why sofo so odanchem ana satam krana DJ la obonu FM mo so rap ni bi so I know them satam now free our communication na ya ma beat no rap ana Dr. Dan kan di omo ba studio enti me ni omo nyina the same age mate ana me kra me rapper me die ne say ka ma gidia ma wi ase nipa ye den atemenka but day na me koye me CD di ba ye no di ba ye na bi ya me ye se me ko producer ana sa call ne ye den e ba ye. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not against Sarkodie. I'm not against Shatta Wale. Baby, it is their business. But let mark this. I don't know if you have a Christo Mua na aye time. So for talker, yes, why did you member sika? Oh, but man of God between me and Yanko Juma 20 years. The members 10 pe. 10 pe no. But a rather be fan of someone sent and yes, you were outside the Abrabu talk about abe channel. But what in China, what do you say? Members sika no the other day. Ato kano. Uni adwuma ni mu a se ne hu na bonte no process na ye den etie enye sa na tie now so for no de na de she me ma me kan sa no I think say 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 4 or say afetwafo ene yedin for aseresere for ene wona wodo anigidi esi ni nyankopon she nipa do anigidi esi ni nyankopon so for no de no na ye pam Sunday ana mu fakurom ana nsuo to na so for no ka na pete so for no tekem ana members ni di atiri ana omo wabusa nsa de ntina na so for tekem ebi ana oyare but what they make cannot say but omo di matem say church members no omo gimi I can send bebre now here Sarkodie Rapperholic and sure I have most of the videos here one guy crab be na no can say one we 300 Ghana on coffee and sure now kuna man who for obeginem but when it was raining where was Sarkodie no nyina mu bi but Christosum nanka ye preaching and sure tona members ni gina mu a they will fight against it. Actually, I say, ye me buy a friend of mine fashion. I think it's last year. Yo, ye no 1 week and I do piano mu ponyum ma de way. But I so for na ye what tonight. Ka area mu ho be ka say ye didi. I ask myself say, adena e banyan kopon adwuma dia. People fight against it. But the way we are said is normal. But what they make what you say. Obetumi start here sorry wa. Nobody will speak against it. But almost any pair bape na afi ye sorry tia. It is a we are saying we should give ourselves to the devil. And the devil is using this opportunity to fight against the Christendom. Na nyanwa which is Luke 17:26. Was said you know what na ye no. Sa na nyankopon ba ne maye no so beye. One, omu didi. Omu nomai. Wo ma ware. Wo gia ware. E di kosi da no wa hye na daka no na nsuire ne ye den. E bai. Ade a amanipa antie no wasem ni o ani die yemra yemfa yenyese etomure fisen semwa na mai ne kale ye nokore the same thing na akwa na asa ye den aba se nipa e follow wiase but ade bi e beba Kristo mu e be me atumi atwe akra no na akoye ohaw hwese akodi sika me wo nipa bebre o ma comment o bebre se o ma sachira o pokpa ko se man of God me 200 Ghana but won se ma hu say ye ya yira ana me so me testing the message say 200 Ghana there on send this can support me up to now to me supporting something what you say that's how it is manko okay fine wow you say okoho no mo a ye ma okwan stadium anymore okay me so dey make say me ni kumase yes me wa ha me so me me dey wa ha omo now no omo so te ye no omo comment oh asofo bibiri apa omo comment nipa wasem kan beto mu ntumi nye den enka
wiase for no mom to no money na no na di track de ko.
And yes, a bonsam na form maybe Sarkodie is a Christian. The minimum now ought to know. Does it bring repentance?
O se ni ni do wa etimi abawo mafuto ni.
Mo afutuo wo mu dia. And your crime so no mo fa so mo video clip. That is the issue. So what I say. First Peter 4:11 Bible show be can someone can say the Nyankopon akatre no. Verse 13 no. Or say obi soma verse 14 obi soma on soma na say the Nyankopon de ama no. Tisi ya de e de praise Nyankopon a. Yenye Nyankopon fam. Pato de me cannot say. Yenye Nyankopon fam. Many people nipa bebre ba me na yi mu be di matem. Most of them no mo oh I didn't know mu di matem. Why? Because the truth is bitter. So what you say? Nimble musa Sarkodie any business or no sorry or Christian. But correct. Ebi ono Sarkodie ne to no sorry but wa akwa no sorry. But na scenario bi na me make say nka ya sorry ne ya and you to ebu members na ankomo be sa na. That is the issue. Me idea no. I'm not against Sarkodie. I'm not against Shatta Wale. Omo djuma no mo ye. Ubekum they are good Christians. Omo asori omo ko beto omo nka nkyere. So what you say? But ehon na mo ko ye no. Me magye tum momo dia. Nti yamso ye dia. You people shouldn't speak against it. Anu na mpese wiase nyina ate ase. Say na kwase Christianity has become a doormat. Anu bia etwie de ba de. Efaso. But ye masa akwan ni bio. I was here, my Christian here near day. Because Nipa no call, you know, or call I and now cross sorry, crana, and you social media. Now could you tight? What do you mean? Now could you tight? I'm also for and now could to collection. But I'm here to tell you, sir, there are some people a year and a college in 1.5. Oh, and I know doing such church and yam one pow. Yam fat my TV so because yes, you can. Some of you in the one yam in any penny. The Adoya church in the yellow. And yan do ya ketu but omo tinche omo fo se church na mu nipa me am gina wonim nipa maboa wo mo se ma feel obi kura one day kura help that person through the kingdom of God and the message of Christ. Oh it me person omo ti ase say obi ye bibi ma wo e wo wi ase ya ye de chen sa asofo bibira toka se acheche opa bro ye member papa ne church member toka che no oka so be jere asori ya nothing can stop you no head obi cha asori asofo bibre sisi ama members anyi high dan ama bebre ewi atina so no my dan o ma chai.
Okay. Until onu ma mo ya dwen o ma mo ka se ye wo wiase no wo Christian no wo no ma ya dwen.
Okay, say Ecclesiastes 7:5 was in yansafo anim ka tie yese ne so bibi tie kwase adwom to. Which means say ye won kwase anwom wo ho. Ye wa futuo nwom. So at nwom an to nipa fo. But e bi anwom a me mehu ne say anwom fo no na ekotu obi fo. I can't judge. But me tie a gospel na metai ana me tie wo nwom na aba wo mu a I think say amachi de no so enche me de beba me de be preach obi adi kan jawo a man nya wo ya sa wo de ma ya e ma wura ku nya botre sufre wu nya mbe eye futu nwom
nti apart from amachi de secular for no mo nyina one millions of people how to me tie de
secular musicians no waka se wo o se o secular for no mo ametie omunwom. Oh well me se fama sum na nsem na ewo mu na ye kama aka se mo say you know me adofo no nyina aka ho Kofi Kenyatta that guy no to nyom papa no nyom afutuo oh ana me nka say oye singing tin na ye afutuo ana oye high life no obi rap no nyom no nyansa wo utia papa o de na most of times no reggae for nyom no you can say o mo mbo reggae no utia o mo nyom a nyansa wo but it's so mo no wi nti o classify nyom no say enye but all the make an what you say. Num omunyum tuni nyina on point. Utie Bob Marley any Buju Banton no any mama fa binima so e dance artist binima num nyina ho se omo to nwum a nyansa ye den ewom culture num nyina no ufa nsem na eye
That is music. Ewo muka. How?
Yes, I still rap. Me rap.
But my
Oh. So, where they show? Yes, my okay, dear babe. We secondary school, 19 years in you.
It is about 25 years as I'm okay.
Why, cha. You know, JHS in Yanam. Sir, Asamu. Okay, my back. Or see, mumma me microphone, na mumma be earphone, na me mamma me lyrics, na mum fanya mo ringtone. Ke rap head with a jugaton, hona bus rasta man be through one stone. Much shin tampe, the young kwasi ade, me shin tampe, esana de rap. Tell keep your hold of time, make you never leave the mic. Casarana attack, mamma for bobo tie. Said the bayo be look branch, me papa kufitum for your mears, I'm still at the go high. From a rapper no brought to say viper, a top me who to say tiger. I couldn't tell me about me man wipe or hammer in the door, penny or slipper. A Belinda, you say, Benada, and I'll pass our coffee for Agenesa. What is young Kwamisi Aquadiane, a plot to force from Kwamagene, now quite by your daddy free Agenemesia, so many Sanson and Son Agene. If you put a pin, you see me, he not to form an answer to the Magene. Yes, many of many from Timogene, I said what to Afina would drink, a two more soon to our Gene, the point is a ram in my bene. Overhead the tree being the same, a book from Chawat in a trade, and Punyanko Point Society. Yeah, Anna, I was born from you. Yabusu yamu yamu ya nyom. Etina me papa num nyina emu ni se. Me enwom na me de beko. Na me character me ye basa basa. Me na me konkoma me tumi stop no si so na ma bie me do. Oh yeah. Me ye basa basa o. Eno na ma awurade yi me ye den. Efiri ho no no. Oh, bro, kebe chen because come na me tie Sarkodie nom rap doctor. Na me de me papa radio koda. Ade atia no odi matem. Oh, yes, I'm telling you. My first rap, me ye Judith night okofobia osen. Ana mo ye wie to mo ye wie ade chen na me step mother. Eskofu tulu nyina untumi ntro rap. One my boy see na gi award ni ade. It's from that time no. Dana me koda na I'm starting. Otumfuo we ne me nkrato utie na se ye woda bitua woto mi bebie mu asana kire woto me se rap mu atorofo adifo amanfo maba me ne me mfefo nsa manfo page mi atum na atiasefo yesu mpo ya bona se ne no osofo hip life ba mu nche ba akofo atum ya dwendwen mi he oboafo odofo manka na me yeboni afo me na mana atum ne kasabodanfo me hia wa yeresafo ochemfo na adifo na ada ne konwa yifo ye kokon mu se ye nyankopon tidifo me ntwa mo ntro me manfo asempa etia me twa ne shotatiefo. So what I say, to that time na hammer. My young Mako studio, acquire minimum in Apocalo studio tafo. Mako that time na masters here 1.5. Masters me ye ana me buy na me sanse me collaborate me picture to it. Me aka me kwa no. Ana young guy we kura me call no. Na nipo ye minimum hapsi na kwala ba ko hapsi. Wala ye nyum ne mame. Enti me kwa no ana tumpan ebeji mistake or the samini trigger. And the bay mixtape no. Ti atumpanji yo call ye no. Me back me back phobia no. Na tumpan hit it. Small girl, you don't know the thing. And I'm teaching you the thing. Ti that time I'm catching me hit it. So me many about tumpan so. Tumpan na nti manim ko. That time na guy we be referee di oya hand time. I was saying kamekai di. Yeah, oya good rapper. But omwade. Oh, referee di.
That's what system.
Oh, only new massa. But them so a be studio. That time no so gyina mu Kumasi se me ni kunta wie prempem wie amwase and when this stone num nyina yeah that time na me really say these people have been able to make it me ni Sarkodie happen that time Sarkodie ba so na obi rapport say Sarkodie no me intention is I will never rap like Sarkodie me the exception are different the whole Ghana no obi rapport say Sarkodie but me be different. It's me true rap ni we the following time I hear Judith night e wo osem no ana me so me pick me really ye it's ona ni didi mu call any by na ye bia di go ade bia ye bia na we should acknowledge God ye ma radin bro if they are Christians and I love something about Shatta Wale. I think some friend a couple of videos bia ayana Obonyankopon di was stage ni ade fini You can say TikTok or go to Facebook now or post to. I don't know his Christianity background, but also Nipa. Oh, obey so for and young one. And I know the Arab and young one. He have that gift. So what I say? Yeah, and young me and young one media from way back now started to all shine. Come a bandana or koye, I'll buy you Nimunam or Concoma. I'm a tin in your man. I'm saying that guy will obey so for pay. It means so for no can. I mean, and young one. I had my sense you me. So what I say, my sense. One day, on one casa, a better than one can. I be radiation. Say, you're seeking Numina. They were part of it. Lord Kenya Numina, and so what I say. Omo be body routine yankopon obedi udo bia fansa na na be si kwan no so safi kwan ni nante so you know I believe say one day it dey make nyina say whatever they are doing they should acknowledge God because obi nim da obi wu the ye bia no awie da o che I believe say according to me to no nkosi awie e be do maybe obetwe ho nim background ko so what I say obi bi ni pechi no ebony e dey na ebony ameye. But we have great musicians. We have left the scene through death. Vibrant. Means when vibrant. Yeah, no, yeah, or a dance all artist. Tamamoto we so no kui. Obi anim. It is ye bibia. The American and say, Omama domina bomb nasini who say, we serve a living God. And they should believe in Jesus Christ. Yes, I dear. Ye really know. A day or how. Okay. Oh, okay, well, now not the Amigusu born pie. Say a radimi quino because Nipa be brave per se or Bama sorry. Make me brave of what you are sorry and I baby to see the mini sorry. It do Saturday I set me back room be preaching. Sunday you are my now for sorry no my coffee set warm. Nah, but you send me to internet visa. Oh, Sunday church. Yeah, may the Sunday church. The Radi Becano, and on a may, you know, you could show up. Okay, 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 okay. Now, you, Yanko points out. Now, what I'll say be a Radino Cassia. Ebia na open minimum komo. The telephone number is 059 259 1996 059 259 1996. The telephone number no. She says we here machine side they be call out. And they are radiation. Say can we come and say we support so through this number. We to me support ye. Ebia can we come and say we to ye mra megia. We will come there. You be near the aye adwuma na aye fe. Na ye nyina ya twe akra na ma awrade. Me da se pa. Okay, the make kire tiefo nyina na se obi a nye Kristo ni. I think say Romans chapter 10 verse 9. So do akoma gidi say Yesu Kristo ni awrade. Na do wa lupa mu eka obejo nkwa. Na akoma no gidi no de anu apa mu akonkwa chi. The make kan say na mawi ase na da. Pastor bi e Kristo nkyerɛkyerɛ na fa wusim. Ewi ase no bibia betwam Luke 21:33 be Nyankopɔn asɛm entwam da ɛna kyerɛ sɛ asɛm no ɛyɛ daa nkwa na sɛ asɛm no yɛ daa nkwa na ati mu dia ɛne uwu akyi no obenya nkwa gye wɔ Kristo. Awurade Israel sɛ wahwɛ. Amen.